Hi guys, my name is Henry from GI Technologies. Currently we are inside Domi, specifically Shotoville Estates, and we are about to replace the D5 motor with a D5 Smart. The Smart motor has 2 batteries. It's faster, long life, and it's also very smart. With the Smart motor, you don't have to be doing a lot of calling the installer most of the time, because the motor is able to service itself. You only call when there's a serious issue. It's going to take us some very short period, because everything is already, the power is already set up and everything. So let's go, let me show you. So we are done with the motor. We replaced the very old motor with a Smart motor cell service, and then it has 2 batteries, longer battery life, and then also it's very fast and very clean. You can see very clean and very deep. So just going to trigger the pedestrian. The pedestrian flows by itself. You don't have to touch anything. It just flows by itself. Definitely take 2 minutes. Usually it's a call.